in the streets, in the The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry Temkaqweni, but those of the participants. Okay.
Ambheka ke nitana mabheka bafethi so boy chinko tola kakhulu. Tona senale intombi zamshela wathi dedela Mr Show phezulu kwe-show. Mangivelezela bathi khaphu. Ebanya khafulela ngiphethe izinja zami. Abo KK.
Yebo.
Phethe katleo, K2PLM, phethe katleo. Kate Iris le ntwana lezi ngizikhulisile angithola beka ngathi fana khithing isdonsi intwana zami yabo ngikhuliswa yimi kawo eka musical ngikhuliswa yimi kawo ngiyakutshela yimi sokuqala ukumamelisa uMandoza angeke ungitshele la yini
I didn't even listen to Mandoza.
ukusalayo mina ngikumamelisa ke akufaka na ku Tupac
Yangena ke yaphuma ka.
ngiyadlala la simplane bafethu aman shout out my dog shout out KK tjatsaka
What it does, you
tjatsaka sheba ne Dayeng si ki industry semgaqweni bompitsa ka King Kodola kakhulu inkuzuma la ka onke angithola enungizile ngithi mangivelezela bathini khaphu hlabanya khafule akazodlala in train bafethu
fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
photo.
ngiyakubona fresh
Kwami.
yeah no khethi ngayi my dog ipuelle ebathu ubuelle kuyayibona
Aramnati bro.
Yela mnati. Yeah. Nchatsaka on a Wednesday. Now usually I usually podcast on a Thursday on Thursday. So on a Thursday bathi hlephula isinkwa ngizulu. If you guys go to church you'll know and you'll understand.
I hardly go to church.
Yeah, so kupocha kele yaka. On Thursday.
I
So
don't mind.
yeah, whatever kuporing fanaki gaspano kupo urida don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to like,
Share
and subscribe to
at
the
Exquisite
channel.
Media.
Yeah.
On Thursday.
Exclusive media.
Exquisite Media.
Exquisite media.
Njalo that is.
Yeah. You know what it does.
Elazuta.
So make sure that you like, subscribe, and make
Share
sure that
and
you
also comment. Yeah. Ntwana,
Easy.
before kala ka wena ne,
Yeah.
the story is like it's too long. Kupo kala ka yi. Kupo kala ka yi ne.
Tell me.
Nchaka, u trend fit.
Akumnati.
Wena munhu bua Sotho se sako outlaws mun. Sela muna sabo. Ko yeki mang dai man. Ko yeki mang. Esele se ya, oh bua Sotho se sa umeta mun.
What's ba sel thakase.
Yeah.
Ke se re sentshang ka tlasa ma.
Yeah.
Thola se deep.
Se deep ne. So vele ne e katleo.
It's
Kupontshela o lela ka ra Lesotho or o letse ka yi Gauteng. Like ukhulele va wena madoka.
Firi I was born here.
Oh,
Then
yeah,
ka vaya ka ya Makhaya.
Amakhaya.
Ka kena scale until grade 7. After grade
Yeah.
7 ka khutla ka tlai ka keleza ka shamisa.
So makhaya kae. Like for motho sa tsebeng makhaya like makhaya kae.
Okay, ke Lesotho
Yeah,
Maseru
Maseru.
Khadinyana.
Wa khona shapa dithakazelo tsa kada.
Kada.
Yeah.
Firi kada wa tseba ha re shayi dithakazelo.
Wa bona rona umzukwane ka Ndabisela kotelwa intombi zamshela inkuzi malanga onke. Anthola ke nna o.
Yeah,
Na tsaka na tja ditsiba tsaka.
A gona wa tseba
Yeah.
tsona. Ke thomela tsena tsa.
Eish, halela tla shela tsa di ba. Yeah. So ntano ruletse kada from grade 7 wa relocate wa tla ka yi.
Ka yi.
No diploma va ka yi.
Ka ke qadile ke diploma ko Protea South.
Shizile.
Then ka ke tena ke diploma ona ina
Ina le,
le Protea South ne ke diploma le mauli yabo.
Yeah.
Then ke tena ke chief ta ke diploma
Tla ka
le
yi.
time
Le time ne.
Yeah.
Okay, ke a utlwa Kate Iris.
Ayabo.
Ka bo ka Kate Iris da.
Oh
Braga.
yes.
Wena mna ke tsebile from
Way
I
back
think
then.
2007.
Way back.
Yo, yeah, mara ksa upo I think like from 5. Yeah, I think it is cooler song. Yeah, since like ka ngicaba so ukhulela ngai umref ntwana ende since awukaze wa change. I think like noma nyodla libhola wena boya ku music.
Yeah, sure.
So ntwana uyakhula ne usekasi. Ukahle. Only you like kahle like Kate Iris like I think like it'll be to maybe no soul. Ntuli kahle. So no ke seva primary.
Primary school ona ka ina le.
Ona ina na le.
And then I did my high school ko Thomas.
Thomas.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, libo lo graphics. Neli
Yeah.
nyo ena static graphics.
Yeah,
Buhle,
yeah.
litlo.
That,
Skalo,
yeah.
pupil. Eh, ana nama san kilo. Sitsa tsona se ke tsa khot man.
Those boys are actually younger than me. Actually. Khot. Zulu.
Yeah.
But if it
Yeah. Asikho lapho.
Asikho.
Ntwana. Bathi babhaya ni balla ntwana. When it
Balla
comes to
ntwana.
hip hop ra like
Yeah.
hip hop ra ba tla re qale da tla khutla ditoring tsa rona when it comes to hip hop ra
Yeah.
ba tshi feel hip hop
Aye.
When just speak your mind because of I feel like you're an hip hop artist, ne?
Sure.
But you can also juggle, I know, because of like mangamela umculo wakho. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi
Yeah, I
ukhiphe
juggle and different level with this and that. Yeah.
ngiyakwazi vele
Yeah, sure.
even aku-rock ngakufaka.
Yeah,
So what you feel ntwana and
But I hardly think it's dead.
why
Sorry.
bra?
Because
Because like I think
People-
nakuma streams no le ntwana ziyasikhanda lezi.
Nah.
TikTok ziyasikhanda, ku-YouTube ziyasikhanda ka.
bro, you
Always
know what,
number two.
you know what I think it is? Like, people listen to hip hop
Yeah.
and then people vibe to other genres.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah, people they vibe to other genres. You can only see, you can also see like the examples like when you're out clubbing and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's a nice time, but then when they play hip hop, it's too wild.
Yeah.
It's too wild.
On that, innit?
Yeah.
Why when they play hip hop, but you play the older hip hop?
Yeah.
Why?
Ah.
Like, okay, let's say ngiyazi ukuthi uthanda DJ Swish, ne? Okay, let's say DJ Swish or Dimples before as or lane. You in a club where it's taboo.
Yeah.
Are you aware with like ingoma esoyidlala like it's lifestyle Dakshavileza.
Sure.
We
That
are,
old school hip hop,
yeah, that old
everybody's
school
gonna
hip
sing
hop,
along,
yeah.
sure.
Why ntwana singadlali yano? Yo, 25Ks, yo, Terry, yo, Flo Jones Jr.
The guys are played because the guys are gigging, young Tony. First
Yeah.
of all, so that's why I think that like it's pretty much ridiculous to think that hip hop died,
Yeah,
young Tony.
Yeah.
Labantu laba bayabukiwa, they
Yeah.
have bookings and stuff. So hip hop is very much alive. I feel like the moments of hip hop
okay,
have changed
okay.
because like there's a certain time to listen to hip hop and
Yeah.
there's a certain time where you feel like I feel like listening to it, because music has become like diverse to a point whereby people are even coming up with their own sounds,
Yeah,
and sometimes you don't want to be stuck in that box. You're going rap, I have to sound hip hop like this,
Yeah.
We also got like other measures we want to tap into, other genres we want to,
That's
feel
like
we
it's
wanna
a
do.
rock.
Yeah.
Nara Kenya gospel. Yeah.
I said it clean.
Yeah, Achaukla ntwana, so what's your take on that? Because of like abantu ababhayi start like a hip hop artist and then along there you be like, I'm not getting like
inspired.
Let me just go to piano or house or Afro tech or Afro beats or whatever, like that's
Sure,
in
yeah.
emotion that time. You're like, okay, let me just
No, bataba bothata kore no.
Yeah.
Ana lo kala maybe o pusha hip hop ne.
Yeah.
Then o hlakane le batho be no ba pusha piano.
Oh yeah.
To gcina so wetse ka da piano bantwana.
Oh.
So engwe ke taba gona le batho be leng hore ha ba khone ho ngola because piano ga sona lo ngola thubazinyana fela.
And then
like
repeat it
yeah,
over and
yeah,
over.
engwe fere engwe le ngore no ba itse why batho ba no ba like ba sa rate hip hop je ka o le pele.
Yeah.
Obviously ke go bona life ya change.
Yeah.
Wanthola ma 2K ya tlile ka style sa bona.
Sa bona, le hip hop ya
Wanthola
bona.
no, piano mfetsi va iselana le style se phirwana like lifestyle ya no.
Facts, yeah, and I also think like it's not like a bad thing. Ntalamele udle at the end. You can't
Sure.
be doing the same thing.
Sure,
Mara
exactly, sure.
ayikubhadala like yonke lento yenza is like ngathi ngafana nomuntu maybe uyasebenza, maybe uthisha awubu principal for more than 20 years. So like kumele change something.
sure.
Yeah. That's why ngibuza so.
Yeah.
Kune EPL zayi lami lepiano ngifuna ukulicofa. Asayini uze so ngoba vele senivumile.
Uzokubhalela
Ses on. Yeah, I don't mind. Me I don't mind because of artistic and then artist angithola. But
From
like
artistic intelligence. Oh,
yeah. Oh, hey. Akhathi yahuni. So like vele kabe ngifuna ukuqala kanjalo like ngibuze because of the conversation about hip hop like abantu ababhaya bayisaba uthi mangizothi they're gonna say cat said this. So that's why mina ngibuza umuntu ngithi on opinion, yeah, what's your take? Because of wonke umuntu une opinion yakhe mfana. Uyangithola. Mara ngoba asikho la thina la sizevele nge-hip hop nomculo wethu sophusha angithola. Yeah, so bafethu yakhula ngiqala ngawe wena siyakhula ngidlala ibhola angiboni ebholeni uva mina mangisebholeni my dog
I
sise Jake
I did
awu
Devil and Devil with soccer.
yeah
young
mara
Tony.
awukho my dog after high school.
Yeah, after high school, I was hardly touching the soccer ball.
Yeah.
And like actually like from like 10th grade.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I got like really attached to like doing
Music.
like I was.
The first track, if like you can recall of the name, the we like the first one. Oh, okay, the first one uqalile ukuyi-record and who gave you the first chance ukuthi uzo-record i-studio that track?
Okay, I remember it was my cousin's uncle, Kobe Ace. Shout out to Kobe Ace.
Yeah,
by the way.
shout out to
So,
Utewani.
Kobe Ace. King
Shout out to Kobe Ace.
Yeah. So yeah, I actually like wrote a verse like before, and then I came back to him.
Yeah.
And like I came back. And,
Usalikhumbula
no, I don't remember the verse. You know.
Sure it was those.
Because I
The
was
solution
sure,
for your
I was
verse,
so-
ne?
I was so sure
Yeah.
I lay you the verse, lady.
Yeah.
And then time went, and then I went to the guy, and then I was like, yeah, not Livius, dog.
Yeah.
And he was like, nah, boy, go back home and write. He was like, nah, boy.
Oh,
So
yeah.
then I was like, yeah, sure. Yeah, and then I kept the same momentum ever since. Like, since in Shees.
So can we record grade 10? Oh, it was
Yeah, I
after.
think it was grade
Grade
10.
10. Yeah. So inspiration ukuze njengoba uthi like vele uyakhula umuntu osina music. Yini like inspire ukuthi okay from now on na into mina ngifuna ukuyenza.
I feel like it was like the thing of knowing ukuthi, okay, like, this is what I'm good at. You know,
Oh, yeah.
finally knowing ukuthi, okay, feeling ngimthembu ngokudraw, but I'm not the best. Ngimthembu ngedisk, but I'm not the best. You know, when it comes to the music.
Area kithume bomara actually zolisho kanjani.
I see, yeah.
Ah yadala ngara bayasikhona yadlale. That's nice because of azangi u Uncle Magara beat. My
sure.
it's not the best. Okay, let me just
Angikhwithanga,
to being like a painter or whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so,
that's nice.
you know,
Shout out to
I was like, nah, I
And
wanted
shout
to
out to
prove
him also, because of-
because
yeah.
he was truthful with it.
Yeah,
so
but
if
that
you let me
music
record a
shasha.
verse, I wasn't gonna know if I'm good or not.
Facts.
And so,
K2 wena lenyora. Jenny a qadile ka ntja ka music.
Bro, I qadile ho ngola 2016 ne. Mara before ke ngola,
Yeah.
hona le instrument e nngwe so e leng hore ke shapile like ka ikeletsa yona wa ntho.
Like it was like no producer.
No, like ke ntho pare ke eng ka re ke eng ba e bitsa mamogogong ka Sotho ne.
Yeah, I will check it out. I'll
Like,
check it out.
tin, ne?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
tin. Then o kenya something like tuba e heavy lenda wa bona.
Yeah.
Then e be se ke nka na le like wire e tla thola ba fasitse mo di
Ntwana wa satla le yona iye like ne tlo ba bontsha mfana.
fele no fele cover tail wa ntho.
Ya mara re tla snap tla za manje usibeya da wa
by
ntlo re
that time,
basibone,
so-
re basibone.
Wa ntho le dladiwa ka wa bona msela wa tonki o pere. You take that ntho ile wa ikhata fele. Ha o dlala o dlala mfethu o dlala ka yona.
Yeah.
Bona o ntsha sound wa ntho ke qadile ke bua ka yona ntho ile ke bina then 2016 ke qadile ke ngola until 2020.
Yeah.
2020 ke la ke qala go shapa first track fele.
Yeah.
Ke shapela ka Rapir, ke shapela go studio Santwane ba re ke Luna the Maker.
Shout out. Give that guy shout out, bro.
Yeah,
Because
shout
like
out
he
to
gave you
Luna
first
the
chance.
Maker. Wa nthola
Yeah,
jwale.
yeah.
And fele then sale ke pusha until ke fihla ikomajiteng.
Yeah,
Ke
ne.
pusha kaofela fele.
Oh yeah. So uspanelena ne it was like your first track.
Yeah.
Sharp. And then from there or release another one.
Ke na le album e leng gore tlametse re release le yena o santsana le busy ka yona.
Yeah. Ka ba ikaile na ga ga ke master rile nna.
Fele
Yeah.
16
That's
tracks.
work, yeah, that's
Pantsula la mrap al bitso le album.
Yeah.
Fele wa nthola like
Oh,
before ke
yeah,
rap
oh, yeah,
fele.
yeah.
Ne ke le pantsula ke jeba pantsula so
Oh,
by that time ne ke
Pantsula la mrap.
keletsa ka ke
Oh,
pusha
that's
rap,
how lebitso e le
wa
K2
nthola.
PLM ne.
Fele,
Oh, that's dope. Wale, that's dope mfana. Yeah. That's dope. That's dope mfana. Yeah.
Then sale re pusha then re shapile di single tse bo my 12 le ntang.
Bro, that's like 2
One
EPs
track.
ne. Yeah, it's like an EP and a deluxe edition.
And the album e le utshak re shapile ka 2 weeks. Can you believe 2 weeks?
Tweets ne.
One track.
Eh, mosnina no Java no Big Zulu. Ngene enkambini yakha.
but then yeah,
Yeah.
that's how work is.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, most span kanjalo.
Facts.
You're on the walk to hustle.
Mm.
You know, when you're on the road, it's something that's gonna put you in that element for real.
Die for you.
Ah,
Andana guse. I don't die for you.
damn, that's one of my favorite records. By
Yeah.
the way, shout out Fando, shout out Diverse for pulling up, and they did the most, you know. As
Yeah,
always. Yeah. It's a love song, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a
Hayi
love
ngalo
song.
ngidolwa ngathi ubokunyisile mngani wami.
No, bro. It was
Yeah,
actually a nice time. It was actually
Yeah.
a nice time.
Nice time ne.
Yeah.
And then wild in another thing sa inspiration ngathi Hulk. Wild, innit?
Wild.
It's you and Genius G. Yeah, it's you and
it's
Genius
me and
G.
GSG, and
Yeah,
the and
it's
the
me
and the,
and
pro-
GSG.
and the production was done by Junior. The engineering by Easy Beats.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what it does.
Yeah.
The niggas in the mix.
Oh yeah, innit?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. For now, Sobuya, Kone, got like a surprise for Sobuya.
Okay, sure.
For now, ne, just in the electric is being fun we
Yeah.
ngathini we sequence angazi ngibeka kahle.
Yeah, we
Just
beka.
to- yabo,
Yeah, we
just
beka.
ukuthi like just to put out ukuthi siphethe ini dada.
Yeah, implement great.
Yangithola. Ntaka wena mona ke ifitela monna ne ayawuthi kyafita. Aka wena le moledi wa ka ba kopantshang. Ka trust fara sa ka. Emona kyafita ne, ke chala ki. Wa kyafita ke khunte usual. Because wa ka ba khunta smoke. Emona la Zulu. Man, podcast.
Yeah, sure.
Wena, I tell you.
Yeah.
In kira wa ka ba etsang, nka stick. Because usually if like wabona wena like ungaring like ya utsiba.
Sure.
Yeah.
But then like I'm tsiba khet ne, but musical next side ka busha like music ojwang. Mara na next tsiba because of like ungaring like close personal.
Yeah, sure.
Tsiba almost everything like 80% of it
Yeah,
like
sure.
out. Mara next side ka bikira if iranka ne. Okay, next out out. Because of kya like some
Yeah,
music
sure.
I can produce,
Yeah,
I can get right. Okay, in guys stick.
Oh, my man.
Oi, I can like nka I can oi. Hey, ya utlwe. Uthi. Uthi ya tla mo. Hey. Re na mathata ithi.
Bro, it's
Why
hard.
trying to
bro.
get it? Uthi.
Bro, it's hard. Hey.
But because of akiyo ngesutha ngikho that
Sure.
Yeah.
sutha masikho that clean. Because of ngiphume family nesizulu nesixhosa. Nina makhaladi so angikho that clean. Awongi hey. No ntse ke batla mo tsenka mo relating le yena.
Yeah, sure. Someone
Get
can
it.
translate.
Yeah, ke re ke fuck. Wena ke shebe ke ne catalog ke shebe. Shebe di artist tsaka ke re ai. Ai vele ukene ke mang in Pakistan.
Sure.
Nina bokena Zeus. I think wa mtseba Zeus.
Yeah, Zeus and
Zeus
Zeus,
ene ke mkabile ka wena le star vele. I think Trip Zeus ke mkabile ka wena le star. Mina kene ke montle ntanga ke re ke Trip Zeus a kene. Goddess, what's up?
Oh, yeah.
Mona sharp. Man ikhutlele pineng ya ntanga. Ke utle ra wa mtho.
Balance it.
Yeah, ne ke khone balance ne be pamela stogithi ya. Stogithi ina le Sotho na le wa mkaba ke sto. Moro me Victor Ntjaka. Ke tsia ku mamela ene at the end. I feel like sound is not like ke sound ya Lesotho.
Sure.
Not like ke sound ya hao. Mara ke tsia ku mamela batho bao, it was Stogithi, it was Trap Zeus, it was Ntate Stan. Nala pa mang kailong ena Ntate Stan like what rapper mo like what rapper like pure Sotho rap. And then it's Marume Victor, and then there's a guy called Outlaws, who's shopping soundtrack Outlaws. Kim Libet, and then Lena like shut up.
Yeah.
That
So,
is it because of Fena Musutso, but that root like Yabu Sutuba, like Usabusi. Why like how it's pin?
Yeah, obviously. Mtlametse o bona.
Present.
Ne.
Yeah, ne.
Mtheke Mosotho. La tsama
Sesotho,
Sesotho,
ne.
la bua Sesotho.
Mara ko boy kae? What ya ko bonta? I'm so taking. Ela tele. Ke ko, what ya ko bonta? Yeah, mara no ntana yeah like ke be a question until like is it because of you can relate ko Malume Victor Ntate Stana and then go Botswana there's Trap Zeus and then there's Botswana bo Stogithi go Tanzania bo Smangma. That's why like music wa o yetsa before me bo yetsa momela beat pele o re ke tla hlaya.
Ya o etsa ntho engwe le engwe ka language ya
It was easy ne.
Easy.
Yeah, smooth. You can share it.
Yeah.
Engwe le engwe easy. Ha o be le ntho tse le tse leng ona.
Yeah.
O nahana hore eish mo ke tla kenya eng for wa nthola.
So when I came on like artist, let's say, on can relate ko yona when it comes to your sound firstly, and then your deliverance when it comes to your bars, your 64, your 16, your 121. Ke mang ora na ke nganyela outi and then nka paitsa molemo ko yona.
Ani ka vore o ka mtseba mara ba mmitsa Setlofa wa nthola. Ke
Yeah.
ntho e leng hore o hodisitse bo Ntate Stana bo
Some
Malume
say,
Victor,
that's
wa
what they
nthola,
say,
mpethu.
yeah.
Like ntho e leng mfethu ha shapa verse no wa utlwala hore ya lefatshe la tsitsinyela.
Yeah. Wow, wa sharp ane.
Yeah, kore ke motho e mong le gore le wena mfethu ha o mamela dipina tsa hae tje ka ha o le nna so ntse o
Yeah.
nahana esha ka bona se ke le da leveleng ya ntaba.
Oh yeah.
Kore se ke shapa di-bars tsa di shapa mfethu wa nthola di-flow tsa hae kore motho e leng mfethu shaka di-flow tse ding tse bae
Yeah.
wa nthola.
And then solve.
There you got proud.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
one of my favorite records.
Yeah, mo EP ke
Yeah,
yona
on the
nganya.
EP is one of. I have two favorites. but it's one of my favorites. Solve is one of my favorites.
Yeah.
You know,
So somebody
somebody is my favorite song.
itlile jwang.
Yeah, somebody. Most of it was not even written, dog. It was just in the studio with Fando. I was jiggling it out. Yeah.
And freestyle ga tsewa freestyle. That's the photo one.
That was the
And then my last code I think skin no love.
Again produced by Fando. You know what it does.
Engineer Mampela.
Yeah, that's my engineer. That's my go-to. You know when you hear sounds at night.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if Fando will understand this. Yeah.
And I understand. Yinto engishayo like most pana nini.
The guy knows the homework. The guy knows the homework. You know. Sometimes I don't even have to say what I need. He just delivers it without me asking for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, big shout out to Fando.
So ntana gospel
No, no.
ri ntsaning fe utlwa re batla re khola gospel it's oning
This guy with the gospel.
o ke tse ke tla mo kenya wena ke utlile mabare bare ka
I like
ikya
rock.
rock
Yeah.
ai ke tla chaela izimpana ke ana seri pizza rock na le ke na sha gospel le bana ba di tshepentle e tla tlisetsa
I would
bo
definitely need some of those girls. You know, I can do something with that.
yeah ka tsi
Yes, sir.
yeah are we ga yi PLM njak wena mona no spanela ko mtho ntshitse le heartbreak kick ko ntshitse ka 5 ne
Yeah, it was February the 27th. It was the 9th.
2009
Yeah,
yeah
on YouTube. Man.
on YouTube yeah maybe
Yeah, it was the 9th. Yeah, it
Yeah.
was the 9th.
so wena ntaka responela ko eng no releasang no re tshwereng no ko di-archives e re ntshang
ana fele ke releasitse track ka 2023 1 December
ya ba bitsa
fele ke le rata
e kae ba itshwara kae di-heartbreak ke teng na ko YouTube o check it
ya e teng ko
yeah
Sunflower
yeah yeah ko ba jwetse da re ba batla itshola ba kae
le ko TikTok fele ba ka mamela di teng
Yeah.
Sunflower K2
a ko pula voice to me ka sa ba tshaba
yeah
ba utlwe
fele
ba
ko
utlwe
Sunflower di
Yeah.
K2 PLM TikTok K2 PLM
PLM
YouTube K2
PLM.
ofela PLM ba
Yeah.
tsela rap ba go ka ofela
yeah so re ntshitse yona track and then like no responela go project e tlotswang no responela go dima eng or re ntsha album ile re iketella album le ka ko P
so confirm
yeah
then respond mo track le phonic beats santsane ke blometse ena ore a release track because ke track ya
Shout out,
Yeah.
Phonic. Yo, shout out,
phonic
Phonic.
beats
shout out
Shout out, Phonic.
yeah
kamala track ke Two Touch featuring Proxy
oh yeah
then number 2 re shapile track e nngwe ke Bima le yona ha so tswe
ai so tsene
fele no
no
yana
ntse monna ntse bra ke monna wana monna ai no tshwara di crack monna di bei go wena monna di ntse monna monna release ka release ka o no mga keep ka 100 a day release bra release you never know heli pelzo elzo duma ezoshintsha impilo yakho ntwana just release music ka unga hold ka ungayenzela music for wena wenzele thina ayindale senzele ngoba uyayincane release ka wabona lena ka ke tlo release ka whatever ka
Yeah.
like Thiri Maskandi ke release gospel ke release
Coffee.
only fans ke release eka ngeke wazoduma ngani ke release
Yeah.
kuri phela wona ke yo biko social media mthatha ha ke ntse next na ithule
I know flop.
mara ke tshwere ntse ke release ka hore batho ba bone sponsor ro
Flop ko go no ke dula ke le Spanish, ngoba.
yeah ke
Fele
understand
mo
ke
studio ke
understand
sella na kwele le.
o tla tla shwa studio genius a kitla da mona ntshene ko botsa yo e ka studio
Abana
a sa kgone ho recorda mona
no
motho
fele o nkaile beat G fele.
Yeah.
Tlamitse re tlo spanela mo di ma beat ya G fele so.
ai na mona
Thola
ba
nako
tshusha
fela kahle.
yeah wena o sure from now on so spanela go tsona tricks o bileng ka tsona
Ya tse two
Tse
ya
two.
two charge le beam se
Yeah,
shaiwe.
se shaiwe.
Go shota A ya G ya with 3.
yeah
Ke tsona tse leng hore sa tsane di le ba le busy ka tsona.
okay hayi inesiphiso emgaqweni broadcast live chinkotola kakhulu mshawe sinqaba khona intombi zamshawe thathetela show phezulu kweshow thinje nginilahlele emgaqweni sobuya sekheni sithi ukuthatha amanzi sithi ukuphuza amanzi sithi ukuphuza itiye sibeze ukuthi bathini ngale nkabi lezi KKK ke ogcina ngala njengoba ngithi nginilahlele emgaqweni uwo lo mgwaqo wami phethe izinja my dog igama lakho bani
OGSD.
oye
Yeah, sure.
elip manje kangathi Joshua Do hey
Ngeke OGSD.
OG
SD.
oye wena ntaka
I feel I go by the name of Sergison.
Oh yeah.
Akopa phonic beats. Yeah.
Oh, li sparanga music.
Yeah, kaofela.
Oh, so ntjaka ne akubathula ubutsa fela ntho tse bha just nje kuyalibutsa hore wamqava Gina utla iri Gina Shika mncane Gina Shika. Wamqava Kid Iris mato.
Yeah, I know Kid Iris.
Yeah.
Yeah, I worked with that nigga.
Oh.
Yeah, uqeda usha EP no isegale. It's called The Heartbreak Kid and it's out. Yeah, I produced ke produced Pina da and shit. Yeah. It's the first track. Yeah. First track on the EP. Go check it out.
Oh.
It's what's up.
Salute. Wena ntjaka wamqava Kid Iris.
Yeah, Fede, I know Kid Iris.
Yeah,
He's
I'm
been my
coming like
nigga. Like, we've been working together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been working with that guy. And Tata, our first single, I don't remember the year, but it was Thinking. It didn't go Spotify, it's all I. And like, we've been working a lot. Kenali EP, teaching the Booby Trap, and he's in the 6th track, I think. Bonus track. Le Bravado, he's in there on the 2nd EP that I worked on. So I've been working with that nigga a lot.
Yeah.
I'm also a videographer. Munali visualizer tsekileng ka di editor tsa. I'm Kenya Filia and
shout
to
out.
push artistic girlfriend.
Shout out. Wena ntjaka konse
OGSD.
OGSD.
Yeah.
Wamqava K2 PLM.
K2 akimqabi
Amqabi.
Yeah.
Mara yena ntana K2 PLM ke artist ntshwele shabo man those Malume Victor Wise yo ntate Stana wantshwa mara ifunka mutlela waqa machita mqava lona
K2 ra mutlo wa ntsola o tlile ka sound ya ntate Stana nyana mara yena shais ka ntate Stana o shaka tsela ya ntsola. Yeah, pusha sound ya ntanga massive. Yena wa chisa.
Yeah.
And like you thabela hore o shela ka language wa ntsola ka lemlayo. Shaka lemlayo.
So wena ntjaka ne kopa like nje nkareng words of encouragement K2 PLM ke Kid Iris umauthi apusha ayikasi nako ngebhaya spenda nako ali studio because of afuna now just to coin adlele shizi impilo njengamagundwana se-Alex azasidudla yasidudla wona amagundwane kahlanganela yangithola so nampana machita just nje wena is in producer is in an artist is in umuntu wenza music ngicela nje ikawo ba encourage
Nah, just want to tell the gents to keep going. I want to push and fit over. So figure that eventually. So figure that and so on. Yeah, they should just avoid all the bad stuff, Yeah, keep going. That's all I can say to them. Keep going, man. Because talent corner very by talent. Yeah. They should just keep pushing themselves, Yeah. So figure that one day. So yeah,
salute. Wena ntjaka nkareng ko mauthing ali K2 PLM.
What I would say to the gents, let's just keep on working and release more music, gents. Yeah, things will happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funa ushamanya mafitsi wena azweni zokusayina.
Yeah. Gents, just keep on pushing. Arispanning. It's not fair that the process may be slow, but then the end result, utabona lwena, gents. Yeah. We're going to the top. Way up, gents.
Shout out bafethu yana ama out azebona la ngicela niphushe nansi nje azami niphushe uNkulunkulu anibusise bafethu one Wednesday usually empahle ngishawa ne Thursday ngoba mina ngena isonto ngithi hlephula isinkwa zinja zami nje ngicela nje nibashaye nge-show phezulu kweshow kuphela this time nithi nje show phezulu kweshow lesibuyile emgwaqweni zinja zami kingodola kakhulu ngiphethe abo KKK abo PLM abo Iris manye amagama wamehlo ayi besurisi nabayithe utawo No, ngizitshela kawo. Yeah,
It's not even.
Yeah.
Bro, it's Iris.
Iris ne.
Yeah, Iris.
Yeah. Bheka
Like what
mafethu.
you have inside of your eye.
Oh, it's an Iris.
Iris.
Njata ko bona no. Kenya gaming.
Oh yeah.
Wayinthola. Bayibiza nge-show phezulu kweshow.
Show page for sure.
Abotsotsi masibhelezelo bathi khaphutle abanye khafule. Yayiza. Dare iskawo cheba. Kibisa di artist A2 or kibisa di ntse A2 choose A1.
Okay, sure.
Usho ranka re Escom ke re eng choose A1. Aka re Zuma ke le Mhlolozi or Mhwebo choose 1 or choose 2. And akuna 1. Artist 1. Whatever 1. Nantoni. Zuchi ko dopo mishpit. Zuchi. Why Zuchi? Son. Anana slim, son. Anana slim, son. Mera beat. Mera on a beat, so it's not nice. For Metropomi. Mera. Antoana. Kid. Come
It's
on.
what I like. It's what I like. I do love Metro's beats, but I'm not with what Mira does.
Okay. Sasa kuma beat. Pharrell or Kanye West?
Kanye.
Eh, mchitalo show.
Kanye. Yeah, every day.
Okay, go. Timbaland do Swiss beat.
Timberland.
Mntwana ngitholela Sizwe ogade hit so.
Donna. Timberland.
Siza ukhelani. Siza. Okay, Aries honest. Next. Okay. Little take. Tari block. Chief Keef.
Keith.
This
Sosa.
guy.
Sosa.
Hey, no, like
Gotta be
sure.
Sosa. It gotta be Sosa.
Hey.
Watch Dirk without. I mean, it was Sosa
Yeah.
before Dirk. Dog.
Okay, Lil Uzi or Lil Yadi. Yadi. Draco Meek.
That was a dilemma though.
Yeah. Draco Meek.
Huh?
Drake or Meek.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
guy makes me choose between two of my favorites.
Yeah.
I gotta go with Drake YouTube versatility.
Fair. Okay, I let's debate and understand like and
Versatility.
LeBron James or Michael Jordan.
LeBron James.
Okay, Stephen Curry or KD.
Steph Curry.
Yes, that's son. Kaya ka Michael James son. Sa khuta son. Ntate Stan. Umolo me Victor. Stan.
Yeah.
Okay. Zuchi or Lunatic. Lunatic yo shaye vuba ke beda jaiba. Zuchi ne. KO Quest.
Questa.
Why ntwana KO mukile from
Yeah,
What the fuck? Hey, lo muntu lo.
serious.
Usho? Questa.
Ke nna le style seo sa hae se sa bopantsola. Always sharpile big keys in Dicaro.
Oh.
Questa.
Questa ne. Okay, hayi mfana
Yeah,
yakho.
yeah.
Sijava uBig Zulu.
Big Zulu.
Usijava ngamshaya Big Zulu ku freestyle. uBig Zulu ngamshaya sijava na ku freestyle.
Anasijava unzwemu gari freestyle.
Yeah.
No.
Kwi hook futhi ngakhona still.
I'm trying to understand.
Hayi baba. Isikaba ngisiseka. Usijava kawo no,
Okay,
ngamgayi
next
konke.
question, not compare.
Yeah. Okay, wona uthe bani Big Zulu.
Yeah.
Okay, mfana. Hayi. Thi sizama ukuhlanganisela. J
Yeah.
Cole or Kendrick.
Cold.
Cole.
Cold wow.
Okay, dear. Okay, Mera Beats or Metropomine.
Metro.
Yeah.
Bam.
ATL Jacobs or Take It. Fuck these niggas up.
I still feel like it in my man.
When I repeat again, ATL Jacobs. Udilotse like ATL Jacobs.
Ah, very.
Yeah, and then I'll tell you like take it. Fuck these niggas up. You take it.
Yeah, ele take it. Very. Cover track ya ele.
Yeah.
Chapets in STC ele.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nzwemu.
So nka
ATL
Yeah.
Jacob, I
Yeah,
guess.
man.
ATL.
No. Yeah.
Oh, hayi ka ungomchange ingqondo kanti zisharp ku. Ungomchange ingqondo ka.
Not sure.
Genius G or Kate Iris.
Joe, I fit. You always are so.
Ana kubathotsi. Genius G or Kate Iris. Nna ke a tseba nna kuvali mama, nna ke a tseba.
Fit. Bagalwana.
Akunakula. Okay, yazi ngicela ukusho kanjani ne?
Yeah.
Ufendo ne. Ufando uza nebeat ne.
Yeah.
Uyalishaya yaphelela yonke into as usual ngoba uyumakhuzu. Wena ushaya ihook uzofuna iverse la kabani ukuze itrack lakho liphelele uzothatha iverse la ka Genius G or la ka Kate Iris ukuze wena itrack lakho liphelele wena
Very like they are very ithata mara very G una le di mankenyeditse university ba very.
yeah ne asinga ngamaverse wena uze sesipethele track ufando sekalishayile sawufuna ukuthi azini bahle release no enemtho ke batla no re fonela mang Kate Iris or re fonela Genius G
Phela mfethu batho abanzwemu bali.
Bantu mbalithiwa ke sesisho asali but sesasho ukuthi no yabona namka nami ngiyazi ukuthi okay right now ngine beat nani mangifuna ukuthi ibe complete i-mastering ngizofonela u-easy even though ngiyazi nginawo abanye abomshini bakho mara mina ngizofonela u-easy ngiyazazi ukuthi ngicane easy sound like la mnayo si understand
Very da very banzwemu bali
Balithi.
mara ne. Very G ka rena se ke spanele
So, okay.
like ke mthelong lena over
Comfortable.
yeah.
oh yeah ne
Easy to work with.
yeah
Sure.
okay no Eish, now eish, okay, I retweet this. I tell you, Suleiman Tower. There's something I tell this. Eish, I tell that you're Khalme, Lauri Khalme. Okay, money or fame?
Yo, man,
You rather have money or be famous? Batlazaga ninja. It's like one year, Batlazaga.
Kono bangathola nyoko ntsekile underground kusahleli TV le radio
Yeah, we channel you keep my rock 45.
And Uber famous when you're Mali flow.
Yeah. When a money or fame,
Uber famous when you're Mali flow.
if flow.
So I'd rather be rich than famous.
Okay. Podcast or radio?
Podcast.
Podcast. When I'm
I love the camera.
Yeah.
I really never go choose a radio chako.
Yeah.
Because no
Let's sing. Yeah, Maramu Tetsi.
Like mo.
Yeah. Fela podcast maro chusa radio maro yi.
But it's kind of like it's kind of like both ways, because even like people who are far can tune into the YouTube and find the podcast.
Sure.
Yeah.
I feel like people nowadays spend more time digital than radio wise.
Yeah, I think myself from my visuals.
People
Yeah,
prefer visuals. People actually prefer to look at you while you're talking, what they're listening to.
Oh, I'm guy. Love of fear. You don't rather be loved to be feared.
I fit the company bantshaba mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baska rat.
Yeah. But ba ka thetsa ba re bona. Na mtshata o letsa wa o rata ne. Ha o so paizise ya mfethu. Kira motho bona ne ha ona lerato.
Real love.
Okay, the heartbreak kid. Winner. Love or loyalty?
Loyalty, obviously. Because
Yeah.
you can love and you still betray.
Uthola
You know.
Ndutana utayivesi. Oh! Nalakile. Akulibale namun. Ucheza
Hey,
amshili.
this guy's putting me in the box.
Oyiwani.
Diverse.
Divesi.
Yeah. Due to the diversity, you can tap into anything.
Eish. Gada. Siki. Uma fishi. Sibiyaka bothi chegu.
Ai mafashion a ke mtse.
Asamuthi ne.
Feli mara ke tlala siki feli.
Udlala siki ne.
Na kwe bike na lo mshapela ga undi go studio sa
Yeah.
feli wa pusha ntama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cuba pizza combo M.
I know Cuba, I don't know Combo, so
Yeah.
I'm going Cuba.
With Cuba ne.
Plus,
And it's so Cuba usiki. Kari pitwise, not DJ.
Cuba.
Cuba.
The guy is versatile.
Yeah.
Bro.
Fando or easy pizza.
What? I was not waiting for this one.
Ka ku fayo. Ebraski di la so.
Very hard and easy. I go with Fando. Bro, Fando understands me as an artist. He knows what I need.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know Easy instantly knows what to put on,
Hey,
but Fando knows exactly what I need before I even write the song.
Oh yeah. Phonic or Fando. Phonic or Fando. Kilthe ramo utsendela bona na script ona checking with like you keep blowing load.
You did the homework.
What's he? Oyiwani. But no mungachoose work wise ke.
I feel I get
Oyiwani njalo.
ke spanele bona ba le
Ba le
2
2,
and ba chapela span se grand ba le 2 so a khone go nka choose feli.
Ntaka angeke baze bayi oyiwani angeke baze bayi chest trap ene ka puo ya kasi never bayi chest ntaka.
Ke choose ma.
Gotta choose.
Okay, like when it comes to the beat for when ubani okay mangaba iverses mopekile mokufando nofoni ubani ongayiwini even though like siyazi ukuthi mina ngiyazi ukuthi ubani vele ongayiwini mina ngiyazi nawe uyazazi but for wena mangathakhethe 1 ke siya ku 64 Red Bull yangithola kumele uze nomuntu owani ozogaya beat la then una freestyle ungeza nobani oyiwani mfana there's nothing wrong mnganami oyiwani choose one bro only one. I don't think now much it has a chest trap. I understand that this is a podcast. It's last ring a con. It's nothing like I'm not in a podcast. I understand.
Feli like very much that feli ba sha span sa bona grand.
Yeah, ne.
Mara na kwe baya feli mo studio like feli ba palama di pizza Fando feli.
It's fun, don't it?
Yeah.
When I'm going fun.
Yo, I get to Victor choose ma.
Okay, I could tell. Like, I want to. 25K or Matlera do boy.
25K.
25K.
Yeah.
When I 25K, I'm sure I'm top boy on the verses.
I'm busy, yeah, 25K. Very ill, yeah, rapper, no. Internal rapper, about the French, the language, they understand. So 25 we sharp and tweets, yeah.
And if I can't French.
Yeah, that's
But at
it.
least you get to learn something from there.
Okay, it keep one ka batla go share book fela and then later araba le ditune.
Yeah, sure.
MC or Flame.
MT.
MC.
Any day.
Any day. Karanja ka.
Flame ya shisa naye.
Yeah. When I'm
It's enough, it's MTV.
MC ne.
Hustler.
Okay. Ah futhi sisivale la things ne.
Exactly.
Mara njengo people soyivala ngicela nje nibashele ama handles wenu ukuthi wena ubani umculo wakho utholakala va ubani umculo wakho utholakala va ama handles wenu ungasho kule camera ungasho kule yeah lithu ungadlala nangawo
Big K2PLM YouTube kuyatholakala K2PLM SoundCloud kuyatholakala vele and muri TikTok K2PLM uyathola Instagram K2PLM
yeah.
K2PLM kofela
yeah and then isebenzela phezkwani music
I feel so far no santsane really busy ka ke spana le phone ke nona le track e tlo tropa no to touch then after more to keep up Bima
oh yeah Bima like
ke track e vele mare bitsa Bima
yeah ngisho ke moto zen oh yeah okay hi uyifake nankadakathi abakuzo
Oh yeah, well you find me at Iris_98 on Instagram, Cat Iris on Facebook, Cat Iris on Twitter,
Yeah.
X.
Music
Cat
wise
Iris on Pinterest, everywhere. YouTube, you find me Cat Iris.
yeah and then music wise is pretty
Music wise, I just dropped the Heartbreak Kid. It's out on all streaming platforms.
Yeah.
And now I'm about to drop the deluxe version of the EP. You know, I added 5 songs. It was 5 songs on the EP. I added another 5 songs because I love you so much. Thank you so much.
yeah anjataka before livaya na couple bless alina bless albatla ntshona customer hlezi right ngithi ngipakethe ama scopers ngithuthlipeli fast nginezinto ezisnacks ufando nawe uyazi ubheke manqedwe uperform kuzonyamalala imic yimi loyo angazi ngani ukuthi ngicabanga imic ayikho ngicela naye mnganami uyiqhubekise no ka sayivala ka no sayivala clean na manje clean ka manje mu take off ka ngismayilanga massive.
Okay, you came to the right place if you're looking for trouble. I feel like catching bodies, hope we don't trip or fumble. Instead of falling, we rumble. You thought we falling, we tumbled. You boys ain't rapping, you mumble. And still, that ain't my business, so I just rather stay humble. How the kid from the ghetto, the survivor in jungles. The excuse is corona when we don't wanna touch them. I got the juice and for wiggle. That's something to fuck with them bitches loose on their legs, so I don't wanna fuck them out. These 200 bitches till I finally fuck them. She made a pool on my bed. That's something disgusting. She calling you by my name. How the subject is touchy, do better than you in your bed. It ain't enough for discussion. Damn.
Perfect. Jauta. K. Sibesiya. Perfect.
I sukwana vesi di chekwa ka kipi ke thewa go tlong ke khutya ke tlatsitse kgetsi ai tla ke tshola no yo ai na ba fela
sathaba
ke utlwa ke qoqa moqoqo ka kile diqapi no bazama go qapolla no thagollo haiyo poverty phetotse maburu no bona thagollo thata thola ha yo ke lwanela tokolo check ai
mara shout out. Big shout out. Sometimes, shout out to you guys. Shout out for your time. I know, Ndana, I'm recorder. Just wanna say, guys, I appreciate this cutscene. So gonna do part 2. Yeah, tidings. Just chop it up with you guys, but solo one. This is with no combine. But if you first van, Ndana, mfuna machita ngaza machita va, eza machita so that you can record the show. Yeah, fando. Ndana skringa good. Just give a shout out. Give a shout out. Kupobitse mo Ndana.
The king himself.
What's good? Everyone?
Yeah.
It's your
Key
boy
and
Fando.
tag.
You can catch me on Instagram.
Yeah.
It's FXN.DO. That's Fando.
Shout out,
Instagram.
shout out.
I ain't got no music out yet, but I'm working with my brother Cat, amazing artist, and everyone else on the.
Shout out. Zagalang mood.
Shout out to everyone.
Can I fail? I'm not going to matter. It's a good lang. Yeah. It's a lang. It's a guy.
Dumelang bagolo le
Sela
kae?
mang kwena mang motana camereng ka o letlile kaofela
Ana nna lebitso la ka ke nna Kgotso.
banna ya
Kagiso Kgotso.
ai yo
Ba teng mokgotsi like ke batla le go goba like ke camereng mona bona
ya
ke dula mo fatshe.
Dula mo
Ah no, ya se dula mo fatshe nna Baxter Chief ka mos.
ya
That is fine.
o phase mai kupa nyo fitise mo
Yeah.
tsa introduce
Yeah, my name
Yeah,
is
man.
Genius G.
Leono Spano go
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still
Spano
working. Yeah, I've been writing. So yeah, I'm part of the artistic intelligence.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah,
The
yeah.
movement.
Shout
Yeah,
out,
I
shout
mean
out,
it.
shout out.
So yeah, we've been working on some projects, and I mean, so yeah, I got my bros, so they'll
Yeah.
explain themselves.
Oh yeah wena ntaka kuma
This is Phonic Beats, yeah, I can have Phonic Beats, but take a span and match the more artistic intelligence and shit.
Yeah.
I'm one of the producers.
Shout out from you.
Shout out.
Ke mang o se o ntaka ke mai ke ra tlegara ke mai ja la nka dula re tlo ikwala nka ofela re kwala
okay.
re kwala ofela ntaka la nka tlaka yi gore re bule ya wena ke mang wena ntaka mang
Yeah, the name is OGSD.
Yeah.
The X
When I-
must spot you gotta put the capital, you know what I mean?
yeah so wena wetsang like so re ka khutlang sa vayang khutlang re tlo kwala show
Okay, artist. Yeah,
No,
I'm
no,
an
artist.
artist. Yeah, I work at the gents. Yeah.
Yeah,
Part
no.
of artistic intelligence movement, you know. Yeah.
okay
Yeah.
wena matoki ke lena nka mka ko she's super fit to understand that you like
Don't worry.
yeah
Yes.
wena ubani matoki
Leon here. I'm also working like you, that what you're doing.
yeah
Exactly what you're doing.
yeah
Uh-huh.
but lena o
Part of that.
Yeah, I'm part of
Yeah.
this thing, you know.
yeah mara sharat bafethu sharat dinonke izinga zami bless you ukuleni bawuthole bafethu but before siphuma bengicela nje kule khala camera wethu ningishela nje izinto ezithu yangizona nizozibala nithi in the streets emgwaqweni kule yazi nisho nonke in the streets
There or there.
wethu I record yeah
Anyway.
So sitting in the streets.
streets emgwaqweni
So the one is for the streets, the one is for the mgwaqo.
and then show let's go show
Yeah.
okay yeah ikupa nje nishayile nyona phela ntshatsaka kuyona nje kikupa
No, I wanna count down on the next.
that's it that count that's it count ka
I'm a metronome strategy.
Okay. Sorry, Shayo, nje in the streets emgwaqweni show phezulu kwe-show and then after that nakitla yenza.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the streets, mgwaqweni.
Chop, best way, chop.
Shop is good shop.
That's it.
Mna yo I got nje, but yeah.
Yeah, asiya ke batla ntshontsho 1 2 1 2
In the streets emgwaqweni.
show phezulu
Show.
kwe-show. Anjalo zinja zami in the streets emgwaqweni broadcast live dishabe script yakho name of King Kotura kakhulu Ntombi zomshaya uthayidedela. Mangiphelezela bathi show phezulu kwe-show. Bheka. Ngiyakhafule.
Namanje.
Namanje. Talebu. Uba release next week fando.
Ana freestyle nyana rap mo.